gentleman called me to clear out his garage where a turbo monster has been sleeping since 1996. He bought it brand new but parked it when the turbo blew and never got around to fixing it. The interior is a perfect 80s time capsule, complete with a digital dash and Lear-Siegler seats. This was the car that terrorized V8 Corvettes back in the day, but now the engine is completely seized. I promised him I would rebuild the legendary turbo system and bring the paint back to a mirror finish. We have to winch it out carefully because the brakes are locked solid to the drums.
Okay, tightening the first bolt on this pristine Grand National. Listen to that click. Now the second one.
Almost there.
Looking good, Sarah.
Just a bit more. Perfect. Almost there. Just one more. Got it. Looks good. Getting that perfect showroom finish is all about the details. Bye.